The company we're using in this video does not want the senior executive salaries to be shown in the Excel sheet. So we're going to look at how we can protect the salaries and also hide them. The procedure simply is this. First of all, enter the salaries and then select them by dragging through them. Right click on one of the salaries and choose Format Cells. Now in the Custom tab, we replace the General tab with 3 semicolons, and then when we click OK, we'll see that the salaries have disappeared. Remember that although we have hidden the salaries in the cells, that they still appear up in the formula bar. We'll look at how to stop that happening shortly. But in the meantime, we're going to protect the cells. And what we do, we click on the Review tab and we click Protect Sheet and we type a password. I will use the letter Q 3 times just to save time. And then our tab, repeat the password and click OK. And there we see that the sheet is protected and contains a password. Okay, let's move on to the next step. Now the next step is to make sure that when we click on a cell that the dollar amount does not appear up in the formula bar. And we do that quite easily by unprotecting the sheet and we type our password. Then we drag through the cells with the amounts in them, right click on one and then go down to Format Cells and put a tick in Hidden and click OK. Now protect the sheet again, type your passwords, click OK, and hey presto, we see that as we click on cells that the amounts do not appear in the formula bar. Now we're going to see how we can change the contents of a cell. First of all, unprotect the sheet. Type your password, click OK. Now what we're going to do is to right click on the CEO's cell, go down to Format Cells and we take the tick out of Hidden. Then we click OK and we now see that we can see all of the salaries. What we're going to do is to right click on the CEO, format the cells again, and this time in the Number tab we remove the Hide the Contents 3 semicolons and we choose OK. Now what we can do is to change the salary by $20,000 and press enter. Now we go back and we will right click on the CEO's salary and we'll go down to Custom and let's replace the word General with the 3 semicolons and we can click OK and they are hidden. However, we still see them up in the formula bar. So what we're going to do is right click again, format the cells, go to the Protection tab and put a tick in Hidden and click OK. And when we re-enter the passwords by protecting the sheet, we will now see that the salaries are not only hidden in the cells, but they're also hidden in the formula bar. So that's all there is to it. Have to keep our wits about it, about us with this particular one, but that shows you all the steps in protecting and hiding situations in an Excel file.